Well, moving on, the Judicial Service Commission has received a fresh petition seeking the removal of Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu. The petition, filed by Belinda Egesa through her lawyer Suleiman Bashir, comes in the wake of a Court of Appeal ruling last week that found Mwilu acted unconstitutionally in the empanelment of High Court bench that allowed the swearing-in of Deputy President Professor Kithure Kindiki. NTV's David Mutoka explains.
Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu is once again at the center of controversy after the Judicial Service Commission confirmed receipt of a petition calling for her removal from office. The petition is anchored on a judgment delivered by the Court of Appeal last week, which found that Mwilu unlawfully empaneled a bench that set aside a High Court order barring the swearing-in of Deputy President Kithure Kindiki last year. The petitioner, Belinda Egesa, through lawyer Suleiman Bashir, has listed 4 main grounds for removal. Among the grounds is the violation of the Constitution, under which the petition states, and I quote, "The Deputy Chief Justice acted in excess of her mandate under Article 165(4) of the Constitution by unlawfully empaneling a High Court bench on the 18th October 2024. This was a direct usurpation of the Chief Justice's constitutional role." Another ground is gross misconduct. The petition states, and I quote, "By acting without lawful delegation, the Deputy Chief Justice demonstrated deliberate disregard for judicial procedure, contributing to institutional confusion and public mistrust." Mwilu is also been accused of incompetence. According to the petition, and I quote, "The conduct of Lady Justice Philomena Mwilu, the Deputy Chief Justice, reflects an inability or unwillingness to comply with constitutional norms and institutional roles, particularly concerning high-stakes constitutional litigation." The fourth ground is contravention of the Judicial Code of Conduct and Ethics. The petitioner states, and I quote, "The Deputy Chief Justice has failed to carry out the duties of her office with impartiality and objectivity, including administrative duties." End of quote. This is not the first time Justice Mwilu has faced a petition seeking her removal. In 2018, she battled allegations of corruption, abuse of office and tax evasion, but the charges were eventually dropped. Mwilu is also not the first judge of the Supreme Court to face a petition for removal. Recently, lawyers Nelson Harvey, Paul Muite, Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi, and Dr. Gibson Kamau Kuria filed petitions with JSC for the removal of Chief Justice Martha Koome and other Supreme Court judges, citing corruption among other allegations. The petition now sits with the Judicial Service Commission, setting the stage for a process that could have significant implications for the judiciary. David Mutoka, NTV, Nairobi.